Do you ever wake up so early for a good amount of days and then you notice that by the third or fifth day, you feel so tired, you feel like you're not going to be able to keep up with this schedule? This happened to me, and I noticed that the answer is not staying on bed for longer the next day. I know that by Saturday I'm going to stay way longer in bed. It's the weekend, and so I'm going to sleep more. This does sound like a really good strategy, but it's not a good strategy. And I'm going to tell you, because if you stay longer in bed, you're going to feel more tired. At least this happens to me. Maybe for other people it doesn't happen, but for what I hear the most from other people too, is that they choose to sleep a little bit more and they get to feel tired all day. They feel tired all day. So the solution to me is that, yes, I've been waking up at 5 or 6 a.m. every day for 3 days, and by the third I noticed that I've been going to bed really late. So I've been sleeping 6 hours every day. And so I decided I'm going to sleep longer today. And I woke up at like around 11:44 a.m., which is not normal for me, but I needed that rest after waking up early so many days. But I noticed that it didn't make me feel better. First, I noticed that I didn't know what to do. All day was gone for me already. So I started creating my brain dump, and I thought, all right, I will do the things that I can do, which I needed to go get groceries and things like that. And I got them done. But I noticed that the day felt super short. I still felt tired. And not only I was tired and the day was so short, I was also like lost with what I wanted to do. But when I wake up early, I get to do all of the things that I want to do: journaling, reading, going to the gym, and spending a good amount of time exercising without worrying of like, oh, the day is going to be done, the day is going to be gone soon. So I've been thinking this way. And so the best advice I can give you is that you just go to bed early. Keep going to bed early. I know so many times I know I woke up at 6 and then by 8 or 9 I feel so tired, but like out of the normal tired. And I feel like, okay, what am I going to do now with all this tiredness that I'm having? The best thing I can do is go to bed early. And I have done videos where I'm talking about systems. One of the best systems that helps me to keep up a good, healthy schedule, a good sleep time, is literally having my sleepy tea with chamomile and all the things that are like for digestion. I sleep like a baby. And I stopped doing that for a few days. And I was like, is it actually really helping me? Because when I was making the video about this, I noticed, well, I am doing it already, so I don't know if this might work, but I will still share it. And now I'm listening to my video in the car as we're going to get dinner, and I'm like, it's so true. Since I stopped having my sleepy 9 time routine where I get my sleepy tea, where I journal, and I'm like done with the day, no more screens and things like that, that helps me so much to be in a good schedule and a good mood and feeling good about myself. But instead, I haven't been doing that, and so I've been feeling more tired, a little bit more lost, and my sleep hasn't gotten any better. So I'm going to try this. I hope that this helps you too, that you know that you can take a very simple step in order to make your sleep time better, or like have a healthier sleep time or sleep schedule. The best thing you can do is just have first write it down. That's something that I did myself that it helped me so much. How would the perfect night schedule or the perfect steps to take before going to bed be to make me fall asleep better? And literally I do this. I take my magnesium, I take my vitamins, I make my sleepy tea, I take a warm shower, I get my bedroom all ready and calm and peaceful for me to be able to journal and read on bed, and then I fall asleep. No phones, no anything, and I swear this helps so much. Forget about everything. Do this and tell me how it goes. This is all I wanted to share about in this video. I hope you really liked this video, and I would love to see you on the next one. Bye.